I joined a management consulting firm, but middle of it, I got a call from one of the leading banks of the country. I don't want to name it obviously at this point in time. And I went there, joined on 1st of April and quit on 1st of April. Same day, because I figured out the bank is not made for me. I found that really interesting and intriguing. कि मतलब आपके आइडिया के ऊपर लोग पैसे देते हैं एंड देयर आर पीपल हु हैव गॉट लाइक नॉट लैक्स बट crores and hundreds and thousands of crores available.
Welcome to yet another episode of the Hashtag Show. We invite guests from various business sectors, real estate, media, entertainment, technology, fashion, and obviously the small, medium, and the startup. As we all are aware, the startup ecosystem is growing at a very fast pace, and India is third only after the US and the China startup ecosystem. Today in our studio is a very, very dear friend, which I will tell you the story how we met, is Amit. Amit, the co-founder, partner at AHA Ventures Fund. Hi.
Thank you.
Amit, so हमारी दोस्ती is only at startup events.
Yeah.
And incidentally, I don't know whether I have told this to you or not, about 4 years back, there was a business networking session by the name of IBG, which is India Business Group. And your another co-founding partner, Abhijit, was there. And we were having a chat. So I was introduced to Abhijit, real estate, Sangeet Kumar, Abhijit, startup. And I had a little bit of fascination towards the startup ecosystem and the business per se. So he said, Sangeet, come on, why don't you try. तो ऐसे करते करते मैं एक तो समिट्स में चला गया. वो आपका मेरे ख्याल से श्रद्धा शर्मा का योर स्टोरी एक समिट था वहाँ. And we kept bumping into each other, mixers and all. So Amit, we will have a very casual discussion. There is no script, there is no question answers. But let me introduce Amit to my friends here who are watching this podcast. So AHA Ventures Fund is a SEBI registered CAT 1 AIF that invests in early stage sector agnostic startups in India. Amit has more than 20 years of experience in venture capital, in finance and in business scalability, and he is a qualified chartered accountant. At AHA Ventures, he spearheads the investment strategy, the due diligence and portfolio management, as well as he advises and mentors the entrepreneurs which they invest and the entrepreneurs they back. They co-founded, he and his partner Abhijit co-founded their maiden fund of 150 crores in October of 2020, just after the pandemic, and they have been successfully raising funds from multiple investors since then. He was the CFO of a B2B e-commerce startup where he scaled the business from 4 to 300 employees and raised about $22 million in funding. So we have an expert here, a dear friend, and we will enjoy talking about innovation, talking about startup, talking about scalability. And as I said, was in my previous podcast, we don't follow any script, we don't have any question answers. So जो भी बात होती है वो दिल से बात होती है. और अमित भाई हमारे वैसे ही पंजाबी है तो एकदम मस्त बात होगी. तो पहले तो बताइए, how was the traffic coming from Thane? Because as always, because we are here in a studio, so this decision also we took Amit कि we would want to have a studio rather than coming to your office, unless कोई बहुत बड़ा guest हुआ. Otherwise, this was a thought कि we would want to host you here, and that was the idea. So one call, as always, my guests are very nice, very kind to say yes, we would like to come. So अमित को भी मैंने फ़ोन किया right here. तो थाना का ट्रैफिक कैसा था?
Fabulous as always. जैसे थाने और जूहू का ट्रैफिक हमेशा होता है.
होता है.
It's a very normal thing. But luckily my sister stays here.
Yeah, like sister stays here.
So I visited her, so that was the icing on the cake for me.
Correct. So Amit, we will just continue discussion. We'll keep it very casual. Your personal story in terms of where are you from, your college, whatever. थोड़ी बहुत बदमाशी करी हो, थोड़ी शैतानी की हो, तो उसकी कोई कहानी ऐसी जरा जो इंटरेस्टिंग टाइप करते जरा.
So, I was born in Delhi, but never raised there. So, about 5 years in Africa.
Oh, 5 years in Africa.
Africa, in Kenya. 1.5 years in Ludhiana. And then 11 years in Baroda, which is Gujarat. And then Bombay from 95
So
onwards.
the reason of these cities and
My
countries-
dad changed jobs.
Okay, he
So
changed jobs.
He's a marketing guy all his life. So he changed jobs and we moved cities. So countries also. So which is nice. It's great experience. Making new friends sometimes every 4-5 years is not easy. But जैसे आपने बोला कि बदमाशी है वो blood में है थोड़ा. So we've done all crazy things right in Africa also. मुर्गियों के पीछे भागना, अपने आप को इंजर करना, डैड के शूज पहन के. So those are the things that we have
So
done.
Africa, which parts?
Kenya.
Kenya.
Yeah, so that's East Africa. So we used to stay in a place called Thika, and I still remember I had a wide Mazda number KNR 415. I
Ooh.
still remember the number of the car also. I think first 5 years of my life I was in Kenya. It was amazing to be there. Baroda was great because that is where I finished my school education and partly my college education. So made my maximum friends there. I still go for my school reunion, by the way. So it's been what, 30 plus odd years, but we still, everybody's in touch and we still go there for reunion every December.
So education qualification, chartered accountant.
Yeah, but I also did my Bachelor of Commerce from Baroda.
Okay.
So I came here when I was in second year, but I used to go back to Baroda just for taking the exams.
So from a career perspective, any job you served?
So started off with a management consulting firm in 2000 till 2002. And that's the time when I was obviously extremely young. The entrepreneurial bug bit me there and then. And सोचा नहीं ये तो नहीं हो पाएगा मेरे से. And I joined a management consulting firm. But middle of it, I got a call from one of the leading banks of the country. I don't want to name it obviously at this point in time. And I went there, joined on 1st of April and quit on 1st of April.
Of the same year.
Same day.
Same, obviously, that's what I meant, na?
Yeah, same day I quit because I figured out the bank is not made for me. And the best part is...
So what, the work culture or what in like
No.
morning you have gone there and afternoon you have come out?
Yeah. So the reason was they said that my orientation will happen, my induction will take place where I'll be going to various departments. Treasury was supposed to be my favorite.
Structuring is there.
Yeah, so I said that's fabulous. 6 months going to each department, learning was great fun. It will be. But when I went there in the morning and said that this is your boss and you are going to be doing accounting, I said not happening. I called my dad during lunch and said,
I was going to say that.
I called my dad and said, यहाँ मेरे को accounting में डाल दिया. तो my dad said, वहाँ पे क्या कर रहा है तू फिर? So by 4 o'clock I was out of there. My documents are still with that bank in terms of my photocopies, etc. that I submitted to them. I didn't even bother to get that. I went back to the consulting firm and said as if nothing happened. Next day went to work and I enjoyed my work completely there. So my formative years of my career, 2 years of management consulting, I think gave me a great experience. I had one of the best bosses to work with.
So did this acumen in strategy come from your work experience
In
at
the
the
management
management consulting?
That is correct, yeah. Because day one of my job, my boss tells me, do you know JVLR? I said, yeah, of course I know. So, do you know Fantasyland? I said, yeah, I know Fantasyland. I was so excited. मेरे को Fantasyland भेजने वाले, वहाँ कोई project होगा. He said, the expansion of Fantasyland is going to happen. And अंधेरी MITC बाजू में है, जितनी गलियाँ हैं, वहाँ जाके हर गली में जितने घर हैं, जितने ऑफिस जाके उनकी मैपिंग करके आओ पैदल चल के. पहले तो एक बार झटका लगा. I thought I must see it. What kind of job is this? I have to go all the way and walk. You won't believe, Sangeet, what happened to me. End of the day, I had rashes on my inner thighs.
What are you saying?
Yeah. Inner thighs.
So, if I'm not mistaken, I'm not sure what you're talking about, but Fantasyland, ultimately Oberoi developed that project.
That's correct.
So, was it the same assignment? Or different?
No. This was expansion of the Fantasyland.
Expansion of the Fantasyland.
Additional rides, and they wanted to build a small hotel there,
This
etc.
is before Vicky bought over the project.
Yeah, that is correct.
Okay,
yes.
okay. So so what you बोला ये क्या काम है यार?
हाँ.
Business consulting में मेरे को तो गलियों में जाके बोल रहे हो.
Correct.
घूमो.
But that is what my father also has taught me, that if you ever want to succeed in life, want to go big in life, you have to start from the shop floor. He's an engineer, so from a premier institute, but they all start from the shop floor.
Perfect.
And if you don't do that, you won't know what's happening on the ground. And that really helped me a lot when I also pursued my own management consulting company. So followed the principle in entrepreneurship always of the P2P principle, as I say, peon to president.
Wow.
When you are an entrepreneur, you have to do that. Today also, if I go to office, I see something is dirty, I'll still pick up the cloth and just wipe my own table.
So, I've been discussing this, and we had number of guests in the previous episode, and हम ultimately we are Indians. तो दो चीज़ के बारे में और तीन चीज़ के बारे में जो मुझे लगता है बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है. एक संस्कार, आपके जो संस्कार हैं, फैमिली वैल्यूज़, एक जो माता पिता सिखाते हैं, और तीसरा एजुकेशन. आपका इन तीनों के बारे में व्हाट इज़ योर पर्सपेक्टिव?
आई थिंक द फर्स्ट वन जो संस्कार हैं वो आप देखिए फैमिली वैल्यूज़ से ही आते हैं, माता पिता जो सिखाते हैं, बट हाउ यू स्टे, द कम्युनिटी दैट यू स्टे इन रियली मेक्स अ बिग डिफरेंस. आई विल गिव यू अ स्मॉल एग्जाम्पल टू बिगिन विद. संस्कार जब आप देखते हैं आपके पेरेंट्स अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ कैसे बिहेव करते हैं, देन यू नो हाउ यू आर ऑल्सो सपोज टू बिहेव विद योर पेरेंट्स. So now I also stay with my parents. Now my daughter is 13.5 years old. So she always sees the close bonding in the family that is there. Nobody is teaching her that, but they are observing as kids. कि हम जैसे respect करते हैं, she is also supposed to do the same thing. And I was shocked at something that she told me yesterday. A 13.5-year-old kid came telling me that even after I finish my education, I want to stay in India. I said, why? I have to keep the family tradition alive of doing puja and all that you do at home.
Wow.
Although maybe she is not liking it today because she is a teenager, but हर पूजा में बैठना, हमारे साथ मंदिर जाना. So and it is also interlinked, and I never thought that subconsciously she is aware of the fact that ये हमको सब करना है. So ये हो गए आपके संस्कार. अब पेरेंट्स जब आप उनके साथ रहते हो, तो जब दोनों पेरेंट्स वर्किंग है, then it becomes a little more difficult. But I was very lucky that my father never worked for like 14-16 hours a day. So he used to leave at 8:30, come home at 5:30. So I saw my father at home.
You saw him.
Spend the evening.
Spend time with him.
Yeah. And same with my mom. She's a homemaker. So she's done a fabulous job of bringing up 3 children. And when I see that how the cordial relations are between your parents, that also teaches that how you are supposed to have a relationship with your own spouse or your partner.
Very interesting.
And the things that they keep on telling you, जब parents हमको टोकते हैं, जब हम young होते हैं बहुत अजीब सा लगता है, especially when they're formative years. So that plays a very, very important part. So that is second. Education, obviously from 9th standard I knew that मेरे को science जमता नहीं है. Dad, as I said, is from a premier engineering institute. He never forced me.
Very important.
So that is also one of the major factors that has contributed to me being a risk taker, being adventurous in life, etc. So as I said, I only worked or did a job for 2 years, and I've been an entrepreneur all my life almost. So parents आपको जब encourage करते हैं जो आप करना चाहते हो उसके लिए, I think that is something which also really helps you become a person that you may become in the future. So education 9th standard में पता था मेरे को CA करना है, साइंस अपने से होने वाला नहीं है. But then I pursued it diligently and then I finished it. Maybe not passed in the first attempt because CA में उस टाइम पे सब लोग first attempt में नहीं pass होते थे. But I kind of finished it well in time. And yeah, उसके बाद बस मैंने बोला ये हो गया. उसके बाद पढ़ाई कोई इच्छा नहीं थी और ना ही मेरे पेरेंट्स ने मुझे फोर्स किया जाके MBA कर लो या कोई मास्टर्स कर लो. They just gave me a free
So no
hand.
pressure.
No pressure at all. Never.
So then how did startup happen? So from business consulting.
So when I started my business consulting, after 10 years or so, I always believe, and I think it's a belief that everybody should have, is that you need to reinvent yourself every 10 years.
Perfect.
So उससे क्या होता है, ये तो boredom हो जाता है, monotony just sets in. So 2012, I began my business. So 2010 I qualified. Sorry, 2000 I qualified, 2002 I began my business. Till about 11-12 मैं बोर हो चुका था and built a good management consulting business in risk management and compliance. And we had decent team of 70-75 people catering to all the top-notch clients in India. Indian companies, multinational companies, working with the top retailers in the country as well. फिर मेरे 2 friends थे, they were starting up and they said that we are starting a new business. I said ये तो बहुत अच्छी बात है So they appointed me to do the initial systems, processes, the so-called SOPs of the company, the business plan, the financial modeling, which a finance guy typically does. Startups के बारे में अपने को तो कुछ नहीं पता था. So वो मैंने किया, डेक वेक बनाया, फाइनेंशियल मॉडल रेडी हुआ. देन द CEO टोल्ड मी ये अभी फाइनेंशियल मॉडल और डेक तो रेडी, अभी क्या करना, इन्वेस्टर्स को पिच करने बोला, चलो साथ में चलते हैं. सो वी स्टार्टेड डूइंग दैट. आई फाउंड दैट रियली इंटरेस्टिंग एंड इंट्रीगिंग कि मतलब आपके आइडिया के ऊपर लोग पैसे देते हैं. ऐसे बहुत ही बढ़िया बात है. And there are people who have got like not lakhs but crores and hundreds and thousands of crores available. I said ये तो बहुत ही बढ़िया है. So then we all decided that okay, let me be a part of the startup. So
the same startup which you had structured.
So I joined as the CFO there, got appointed on the board and started pitching, and we signed an agreement of $30 million.
Wow.
So मेरे को तो भाई मजा आ गया. मैंने कहा ये है. But then और ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग क्या लगा, जो सामने वाला है ना, जो पैसे देता है, भाई वो तो बहुत ही बढ़िया है. Because if you're an entrepreneur, you can build one business, two businesses.
Correct.
But if you are a good investor, you can help build maybe hundreds of businesses.
So that is the bug which kind of bit you.
Yeah. So just raise capital, give it to awesome founders, that they can build business, they can build the startup ecosystem, they can build a nation basically. So now you see how the startup ecosystem has blossomed in India like it was never before.
So all package, right? Your chartered accountant, CA, business consulting, job, strategy, then this opportunity. So I think all this put together is what kind of defines you today, what you are.
Yeah,
because that's all goes hand in hand, right? You know.
Totally. So working with various industries. So I worked with textiles, I worked with retail, I worked with shipping, infrastructure, cement, steel, education. So when you have worked with 15-20 industries, and management consulting, the best part is the kind of management consulting we used to do, because it was my own firm. I used to interact a lot with CXOs/leaders. So आपको पता लगने लग जाता है कि how these people behave, how they take decisions,
how they think,
absolutely, and what drives their decisions. When we talk to now founders, not that I equate a CXO or a leader with a founder, because they're two different breeds of maybe two different I would say corners, or they think in a very different fashion, because आज के entrepreneurs extremely adventurous, but if you're a CXO or a leader, you may take a little time to be adventurous.
Fair enough. Other factors are there, right?
Lot of factors that are there, and you may not get such a free hand, but at least it helps you that how leaders think. And today when we speak to founders, that experience really helps me a lot in evaluating startups.
Fantastic. So how did AHA Ventures start? And why?
AHA Ventures, met Abhijit.
Why I met Abhijit. I told you, he was the person who kind of showed me the path to startup.
True.
So how did the name AHA happen?
So Abhijit is an old friend of mine, and we know each other since the time both of us are not married. So we also know a lot of secrets of each other. So we stayed in touch for quite some time. So in 2018, when this startup thing was getting over, and I had also helped a friend of mine to scale his SME business, I thought that मेरे को इस साइड तो आना ही आना है किसी हाल में.
The fund side,
the funding
investor
side, investor side. So Abhijit also was running his tech business, but also planning to come full time into this. So both of us met and said that एक काम करते हैं, अभी इसको next level पे लेके जाते हैं. They had started AHA Ventures in 2000. First investment happened about 2013-14, but it was more to invest with family, friends. Then the network grew bigger. But by 18-19, we decided that इसको अभी
structure करते
हैं, next level पे लेके जाते हैं. And we also wanted to launch our angel
fund. This is 2018.
18, yeah. So and then officially, formally, then I started working with AHA Ventures from 2019. We wanted to launch the fund in 2020, but then the pandemic hit.
Pandemic happened.
So we launched actually the fund in October of 22.
तो एकदम pandemic
खत्म होते
ही मतलब.
Because हमको पता था वो background work हो चुका है. अब network एक specific level पे आ चुका है. People know us in the ecosystem. Investors know, startups know. So
but don't you think that was a very what should I use the right word is challenging time? एकदम pandemic खत्म हुआ और आप पैसे देने के लिए बाहर निकले हो?
नहीं, बिल्कुल भी नहीं. In fact, contrary to popular belief, 2021 the pandemic, 20 and 21 was at the peak. You know that.
Correct.
20 में एक आया था down.
That थोड़ा हुआ?
बट 21 में जो हुआ वो तो अनइमेजिनेबल हो गया फिर, द काइंड ऑफ डील्स दैट हैपेंड and the kind of money that was raised by startups. So I think it was more like how it was traveling with revenge, it was investing also with revenge. So that is the year that
Oh, actually that happened.
yeah, it happened like that.
And both at the VC level and the seed level.
Absolutely at all levels.
At all levels.
उसी वही पीरियड में तो हमने मैक्सिमम यूनिकॉर्न्स इंडिया में बनाए.
तो कैसा रहा ये जर्नी? तो आपने वेंचर स्टार्ट किया, आपका फंड आया. So how has been the journey in the last few years, and what has been your experience? And couple stories which I as I said, I am playing this game from the outside.
Yeah.
Just visit summits, and hopefully we'll talk about this in the near future. Both of us offline, we will talk about the startup ecosystem. But any story to tell in terms of concept, in terms of gut feeling? यार कभी ऐसा कुछ हुआ कि बिटवीन यू एंड अभिजीत बोला यार ये ही सेज हाँ करते हैं, यू से नो, एनी स्टोरी विच इज इंटरेस्टिंग?
It's a lot of interesting stories. आप जब स्टार्टअप इकोसिस्टम में रहते हो ना, it is one of the most amazing and vibrant ecosystems you can have.
उसमें एक वो अलग ही मजा है.
बिल्कुल अलग है. It's an adventure.
जैसे बॉलीवुड में बोलते हैं ना कीड़ा होता है, कीड़ा. तो ये कीड़ा है.
कीड़ा है, मतलब वो एकदम सही वर्ड पकड़ा है आपने. रीजन क्या है, आप एक बार स्टार्टअप इकोसिस्टम में घुसते हो, आप उसमें रह ही जाते हो. इट्स लाइक कमिंग टू बॉम्बे, हाउ पीपल से मैं बॉम्बे आया ना, बॉम्बे होकर रह गया. दैट इज हाउ द स्टार्टअप इकोसिस्टम इज, बिकॉज इट इज फुल ऑफ अमेजिंग फाउंडर्स, फुल ऑफ ग्रेट इन्वेस्टर्स, फुल ऑफ ग्रेट पीपल. ओवरऑल एनर्जी, एंथुसियाज्म जो है ना,
अलग लेवल है वो.
अलग लेवल है. मैं ये नहीं बोलता कि ऐसी एनर्जी कहीं और नहीं मिल सकती, बट सेफली बोल सकता हूँ कि बाकी अगर कॉर्पोरेट में, एसएमई में देखोगे, ऐसी इन्फेक्शियस एनर्जी वो स्टार्टअप इकोसिस्टम.
और मेरे से यहाँ पे एक चीज़ जो मैंने थोड़ी बहुत देखी है अमित, इज द पर्सपेक्टिव ऑफ बीइंग कोलैबोरेटिव. Startup ecosystem is in collaborative ecosystem.
Totally.
As compared to the corporate world where competition supersedes collaboration.
उसका रीज़न है. एक तो क्या है, हमारे स्टार्टअप इकोसिस्टम में अगर आप स्टार्टअप साइड देखोगे, बहुत स्टार्टअप्स हैं. वी नाउ हैव क्लोज टू 1.5 लाख स्टार्टअप्स रजिस्टर्ड विद द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया.
तो अनरजिस्टर्ड कितने होंगे वो अलग?
हाँ, मतलब वो स्टार्ट हुए, रजिस्टर नहीं किए, 2 साल हो गए, 3 साल हो गए, चल रहे हैं.
तो अभी 1.5 लाख का नंबर हो चुका है.
हाँ, anywhere between 140 to 150.
Which is a huge number.
Yeah. So these are the amount of startups that are already registered, and investors जो हैं वो बहुत कम है comparatively एंजल इन्वेस्टर. Now people will ask, भाई मैंने भी एक इन्वेस्टमेंट किया तो मैं एंजल इन्वेस्टर. मैं बोलता हूँ नहीं, ऐसा नहीं. आपने एक इन्वेस्टमेंट किया, वो एंजल इन्वेस्टर नहीं, आप क्वालिफाई होते हैं. आप लिंक्डइन पे डाल सकते हो, बट दैट इज नॉट हाउ यू क्वालिफाई.
पर लिंक्डइन पे लोग डालते हैं.
दैट इज देयर चॉइस. डेमोक्रेटिक है, अभी इंटरनेट क्या करेंगे.
Correct.
बट एंजल इन्वेस्टर आप कैसे डिफाइन करते हो? अ पर्सन और एन इन्वेस्टर हु इन्वेस्ट्स इन स्टार्टअप वेरी रेगुलरली and sets aside a corpus every year or periodically to invest in startups.
So that is investor खुद का पैसा, खुद का उसने, amount is not important.
Not important.
10 लाख, 20 लाख, 100, whatever it is, and he regularly invests. That is your definition of angel investor.
Yeah, I think that will be also the popular definition.
Popular, yeah, whatever. I'm okay with that.
So कैसा है कि आपने बोला मेरे पास से 20 लाख रुपए है, वो 20 लाख रुपए में 10 स्टार्टअप में डालूंगा, मैं 2-2 लाख रुपए डालूंगा. मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा कि आप एक साथ डाल दो, आप 6 महीने में डालो. नहीं, आप बोलो मैं 2 साल में डालूंगा, 3 साल में डालूंगा. बट नाउ यू हैव मेंटली डिसाइडेड दैट दिस इज एन एसेट क्लास दैट आई वांट टू इन्वेस्ट इन. सिंपल.
Perfect.
So you identify this as a proper asset class, and this is an alternative asset class anyways now.
Absolutely with you on it. And so according to you, Amit, what any numbers in terms of angel investor network कितने होंगे?
देखिए, बहुत ही
Roughly
नंबर है. मेरे हिसाब से इंडिया विल नॉट हैव मोर देन 40-50,000 एंजल इन्वेस्टर्स, नॉट मोर देन दैट. वी हैव
It's a very small number.
यस, सो दैट इज व्हाई आप जो कोलैबोरेटिव वर्ड आपने यूज किया, उसका रीजन यही है कि इतने कम एंजल इन्वेस्टर हैं, और वो नेटवर्क्स भी अभी हम तो फिंगर पे काउंट कर सकते हैं जो नेशन वाइड या नेशनल नेटवर्क्स हैं. करेक्ट. हम सब एक साथ ही काम करते हैं. वो क्यों करते हैं? एंजल इन्वेस्टर भी इतने कम है. See, people may talk about the fact that we have 10, 15, 20,000 angel investors, but how many of them are active is the most important thing. So if a network A is collaborating with network B and C, it is great for the ecosystem. The reason is founder को जितना पैसा चाहिए उतना मिल जाता है. भाई हो सकता है एक नेटवर्क पूरा नहीं कर पाता हो, एंड इन्वेस्टर के लिए भी ग्रेट है. Validation is being done, or they are getting a tick mark from their fellow investors or fellow investor networks also. So इसलिए startup ecosystem में collaboration और हमेशा ही रहेगा. पहले नेटवर्क्स आई वुड से इन 2012-13-14 एक अकेला लार्ज चेक काट सकता था, बट अभी ऐसा नहीं है. सो 2-3 इन्वेस्टर नेटवर्क्स गेट टुगेदर एंड इन्वेस्ट इन स्टार्टअप्स. सो आई थिंक दिस इज ग्रेट फॉर द इकोसिस्टम एंड इट इज हियर टू स्टे. सो जब भी कोई पूछता है आपका कंपटीशन या आप लोग एक दूसरे के साथ लड़ते हैं क्या किसी स्टार्टअप के लिए, जरूरत ही नहीं है. स्टार्टअप
उसी पे आने वाला था.
स्टार्टअप पैसे मांगेगा, दे दो. हमारे इन्वेस्टर भी दे देते हैं, दूसरों को भी दे देते हैं. तो सपोज समबडी इज रेजिंग $500,000 which is like 4.5 crores today, and उनको बोलो नहीं, we also want a small bite of say 50 lakhs to a crore.
So you both of you go together.
Yeah, 2-3 go together. There are startups where 4-5 networks today, as also as angel funds, we have invested in startups. So it's democratic, it's transparent, and the best part, it is collaborative. I think I love the ecosystem.
And I think the ecosystem is maturing now. From media house perspective, from network perspective, from community perspective, and then we have these mixers and meetups. So tell us something about these mixers and meetups. Sorry, that you all meet for. तो ये beer की थोड़ी बहुत जो आपकी आदत पड़ी है, it is because of the mixer की ये college वाला था.
नहीं, college वाला था. ये beer is the best invention of mankind.
Beer is the best invention of mankind.
Correct. मतलब वो अलग ही है. सो बियर इज नॉट अबाउट जस्ट अल्कोहल. बियर इज अबाउट फ्रेंडशिप, अबाउट camaraderie, अबाउट हैविंग अ गुड टाइम.
Very good.
You cannot have a beer alone, trust me.
Correct.
You may probably have a whiskey alone. Just chilling and having whiskey alone. Beer के लिए आपको 2-3 लोग चाहिए.
चाहिए.
So that is how it is. So nothing to do with the mixers that happen in the startup ecosystem.
ठीक है.
Now why did mixers start?
Why did it start?
They started because people wanted to network with each other, learn from each other, and also more important, grow with each other. So अब investor community कैसा है? Sometimes I cannot take a decision alone. So what do I need? I need validation. So investor community में भी कभी कोई lead करता है, कभी follow करता है. So एक अच्छी opportunity आई, example दे रहा हूँ PropTech में. You are an expert in real estate/PropTech. I am not an expert, but I am still attracted. I want to learn about it. So what do? I said, Sangeet, what do you think?
Correct.
Is it a great opportunity? And I'm talking this is offline or in a mixer or over a phone call, etc.
Correct.
You evaluate the opportunity and say, I think it's a great opportunity. The founder is good. The idea is good. It may be something that will do wonders in the future. मैं बोला हाँ ठीक है भाई, good. So I think I will take a bet not on the founder. I'm taking 50% bet on the founder and 50% on the wisdom, experience and expertise of Sangeet. So मैंने पैसा डाल दिया. It grew well. And so now the bond is strengthened and I'm learning about it from you also as we interact with each other. अब next time एक opportunity आई जो B2B e-commerce में है. आपकी वो expertise नहीं है.
तो मैंने फिर आपको
मेरे को पूछा. मैंने बोला हाँ भैया मैंने तो B2 e-commerce कंपनी स्टार्ट की, उसको स्केल भी किया और अनफॉर्चुनेटली बाद में वो बंद भी हो गई. तो आई हैव सीन द एंटायर साइकिल. सो लेट अस इवैल्यूएट टुगेदर एंड सी हाउ इट इज. देन आई गिव यू माई साइड ऑफ नॉलेज अबाउट हाउ B2B कॉमर्स कंपनीज वर्क. फिर आपने इवैल्यूएट करके बोला नहीं तू ठीक बोल रहा है, आई थिंक आई शुड नॉट इन्वेस्ट. एंड देन यू डोंट इन्वेस्ट इन दैट कंपनी एंड दैट कंपनी अनफॉर्चुनेटली फोल्ड्स आफ्टर 12-18-24 months. Then you say सही है यार.
बचा दिया.
Sometimes I am leading, you are following, sometimes you are leading, I am following.
Very interesting.
So that is how the mixers happen. And also it helps the startup founders to also interact with investors in an informal atmosphere.
Informal.
And as an investor, you should always interact with founders in an informal atmosphere also, whether it's a mug of beer or a glass of wine or a cup of coffee. It always helps to understand the attitude of the founder also. वरना एक पिचिंग में तो आपको पता ही है, they are at their best, they have practiced the pitch, they know the questions that you're going to ask and the answers that the investor is expecting. So वो सब रहता है, but in an informal atmosphere तो अब मालूम पड़ता है. जैसे आपने मेरे से मेरी फैमिली के बारे में पूछा, मेरे वैल्यूज के बारे में पूछा, you will figure out. And if as an investor,
and I think that's important, right?
Very
I mean आप एक इन्वेस्ट करने वाले हो पैसा.
हाँ, और वो आप इनिशियल इन्वेस्टमेंट कभी भी ना कंपनी में नहीं कर रहे होते. The biggest bet you're taking is not on the horse but on the jockey. So in this case, if you are doing that, then you should know the person at least to a certain extent.
So that I will ask you next in terms of what you look for a startup. Yeah. But since we have an audience across genres, can you tell us the AIF 1, 2, 3? So what are these 3 different funds and what are the stages of investment starting from seed to wherever it goes to IPO?
Perfect. So I'll not go
So that
too
is like
much.
a little master class.
I know, but I'll not go too much into
Not detailed,
AIF,
not too much
AIF category 1, 2 and 3. The reason is because category 3 is not relevant at all to the audience that typically have.
Not.
Those are largest of the funds, hedge funds. Those are funds which are open ended, जिसका कोई duration नहीं होता है. They can invest everywhere. There is no restriction, etc. Category 1 and 2, category 1 में भी VC fund है, angel fund है. And that is where most of the angel investors will fit in to begin with. And when they grow a little in their investment journey, then they can move to a Cat 2 fund also, where the investment manager typically decides where to invest the money, just like a mutual fund. So आपने मेरे को X amount दे दिया. Now as investment manager, I will decide where to invest the money. In category 1 angel fund, the investor still decides where to invest the money, but
He has some right or say or
no,
what?
he has the final say.
Okay, he has the final say.
He has the final say. If he says मैंने आपको X amount पैसा दे रहा हूँ ये स्टार्टअप में इन्वेस्ट करने के लिए, आप उसी स्टार्टअप में कर सकते हो,
आप और किसी में नहीं कर सकते.
नहीं कर सकते आप. So that is how the investment manager works. But the investment manager manages everything apart from that. Whether it is the interaction with the startup founders, whether it is interaction with the investor, whether interaction with the regulator. Investment manager is the fulcrum in this case.
So now we have the angel investor. Then you said VC, which is the venture capital.
Yeah.
And then you have the private equity.
Correct.
So what is the difference between VC and PE?
P's are larger check sizes.
Larger check sizes.
Expectation of the returns in terms of percentage of IRR is lower.
Lower.
Because they
So
put-
risk also is low.
Of course yes, because
Because
बड़ी
more
companies
matured.
हाँ मतलब
Even the stage of the startup is more matured.
they are mature stage startups. VC is growth stage startups. The
So
risk
VC is
still
growth. So the maximum risk is what you are taking at
there.
early
Yeah,
stage.
absolutely. I think,
Basically, right?
you hit the nail at the right place. Yes, angels always take the highest risk.
And right now, the way the ecosystem is going, the exit is where? Mergers or IPO? How do you exit? अभी आपने एक startup में invest किया. समझो just number say 50 startups.
Okay.
So how much time does it take for an exit
Okay. So सबसे पहले तो आपने मेरे को एक question पूछा था about the stage.
stage?
So let me just tell you about the stage of the funding or
Correct.
the funding life cycle of a startup.
Very important. Let's
So
let's discuss that. Yeah.
सबसे पहले आप अपना पैसा डालोगे.
पहला सब पहला ठीक.
Self
Perfect.
funded. 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 15 lakhs, 20 lakhs. Really
Perfect.
depends. Does not
Perfect.
matter. Then do you go to angels? No. First you go to family and friends. That is the first outside money that you get is family and friends. आप फैमिली के पास गए या फ्रेंड्स के पास गए, उनको ही नहीं अच्छा लगा तो देन इट इज़ अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ अ क्वेश्चन मार्क. मतलब आपका जो बिलीफ है थोड़ा हिल जाता है. दैट इज ऑलवेज गुड टू गो टू दैम. दैट ये मेरे को प्यार करते हैं फिर भी मेरे को पैसा दे रहे हैं, मेरा आइडिया मेरे को देख के पैसा दे रहे हैं. सो दे विल गिव यू अनदर से 25, 30, 40, 50 lakhs. Then you go to angels whom you don't know at all. So that is the first outside money that you take. Outside of your comfort zone, as I say. When angels put in money, that is where the early stage investment or the seed or pre-seed has started. अब ये seed है, pre-seed है, series A है, series B, series C is very subjective. So आप pre-seed किसको बोल सकते हो? मैंने खुद का पैसा डाला pre-seed. Seed मेरे family friends ने डाला, उसके बाद आपका आ गया angel.
Correct.
ठीक है, उसके बाद आएगा फिर आपका माइक्रो वीसी या वीसी, फिर वो बड़ा, उससे बड़ा वीसी, फिर उससे बड़ा वीसी. जब आप बहुत बड़े हो जाते हो, 1000, 2000, 3000 करोड़ का टर्नओवर हो गया, अभी आपको 500 या 800 या 1000 करोड़ चाहिए, तब आता है पी. ऑब्वियसली ही गिव्स द लार्जेस्ट चेक, बट उसका एक्सपेक्टेशन है मेरे को भैया 14, 15, 16% रिटर्न कंसिस्टेंटली मिलता रहे. अब इतनी बड़ी इन्वेस्टमेंट पे दैट रिटर्न इज फैबुलस. कोई डिविडेंड डिक्लेयर करेगी वो कंपनी, प्रॉफिटेबल कंपनी है ना, ये सब प्रॉफिटेबल कंपनीज होती हैं. सो दैट इज हाउ द पी डज. वीसी सेज मेरा एक्सपेक्टेशन है कि मेरा पैसा जो है डबल ट्रिपल है वो 3 से 4, 5 साल में हो जाए. आई एम हैप्पी अबाउट इट. एंजल अलग ही बिल्कुल गेम है. वो बोलता है मेरा पैसा 5 टाइम्स हो, 10 टाइम्स हो, 20, 50, 100x वाले भी मेरे को कोई एक मिल जाए ना तो मेरी लाइफ सेट हो जाएगी. दैट इज हाउ एंजल्स वर्क एंड दैट्स व्हाई एंजल्स ऑल्सो दे इन्वेस्ट अ स्मॉल चेक इन अ लॉट ऑफ कंपनीज. So angel investment, just like
Multiple baskets हो गए.
Yeah. How you invest in startups is the same as you invest in the capital markets. आप मुझे बताओ, आपके पास 1 लाख रुपए है, आप 1 लाख रुपए एक शेयर में डालोगे कि मे बी 3, 4, 5 शेयर्स में डालोगे?
3 से 5 शेयर में.
Same is with startups. You should not put, or you ideally not put all the eggs in the same basket. क्योंकि बास्केट गिरी अंडे टूटे. तो इसके लिए आप स्टार्टअप्स में भी पोर्टफोलियो बनाओ between 10 and 15 startups. That is the strategy that one should follow for angel investments.
Knowledge, do you think education is required? I mean, we've been talking about I've yet to do any investment except I've done one with Fendora, Satish being a friend. Don't call it an investment, but it's like a friendship. But do you think it's required that the so-called investor who's sitting on the fence should be educated? Is that required? And if required, who will do it? And or who is doing it right now?
ओके सो there are two aspects. One, एक है नॉलेज और एक है अवेयरनेस, दोनों अलग.
Accepted. चलो,
ठीक?
point taken.
एक है अवेयरनेस. नंबर वन, देर आर पीपल हु नो अबाउट एंजल इन्वेस्टिंग, हु आर अवेयर अबाउट एंजल इन्वेस्टिंग एज एन एसेट क्लास. वो करते हैं, हम उसके आते हैं नॉलेज कैसे उन्होंने एक्वायर की और हाउ पीपल आर एक्वायरिंग नॉलेज टुडे. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद दैट. सो व्हाट हैपेंस, वो खुद बहुत सारे नेटवर्क्स के पिच डे अटेंड करता है. ही स्पीक्स टू अ लॉट ऑफ फाउंडर्स, ही अटेंड्स मिक्सर्स as we say, demo days, and that is how he's acquiring, slowly he's acquiring knowledge. Now what we as the evangelists of the startup ecosystem, we tell these people कि आप शुरू में ब्लाइंड मत खेलो. जो आपको सेक्टर समझ में नहीं आता है
मत जाओ तर,
उससे तो स्टार्ट ही मत करो. मतलब डोंट इन्वेस्ट आउट ऑफ फोमो, एज आई से.
लेकिन फोमो भी होता है यहाँ पे ना, वो उसके बारे में भी अलग बात करेंगे क्योंकि बड़ा सब्जेक्ट है ये.
बिल्कुल एकदम है बड़ा सब्जेक्ट. एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द इन्वेस्टमेंट, एंजल इन्वेस्टमेंट, सम पीपल आर डूइंग आउट ऑफ फोमो ऑल्सो. कि अरे संगीत ने कर लिया
तो मैं भी करूँगा,
ये निकला मैं रह जाऊंगा पीछे. बट आई ऑलवेज एडवाइज इन्वेस्टर्स हु आर फर्स्ट टाइम इन्वेस्टर्स इन स्टार्टअप इकोसिस्टम, इन्वेस्ट इन एरियाज वेयर यू हैव नॉलेज अबाउट. आपने गैस में काम किया है, कोई ऐसी इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर कंपनी है उसमें इन्वेस्ट कर लो. आपने ई कॉमर्स में काम किया है, आप ई कॉमर्स में इन्वेस्ट कर लो. सो दीज आर द एरियाज वेयर यू शुड स्टार्ट विद. धीरे धीरे देन द प्रिंसिपल जो हमने डिस्कस किया, लीडर फॉलोअर, एक आपका 8 लोगों का, 10 लोगों का, 15 लोगों का ग्रुप बन गया एक, जिसको हम आजकल सिंडिकेट भी बोलते हैं. तो उसमें से सब अलग अलग तरीके के या अलग अलग इंडस्ट्रीज के लोग होंगे. तो देन यू कैन ऑब्वियसली यू स्क्रैच माई बैक, आई स्क्रैच योर्स करके वी कैन डू गुड इन्वेस्टमेंट्स. अब सेकेंड लेवल ऑफ पीपल कैसे होते हैं, जिनको एंजल इन्वेस्टमेंट्स के बारे में नॉलेज ही नहीं है बिल्कुल भी. मतलब दे आर अवेयर बट नॉलेज नहीं है. तो व्हाट डू यू डू देन, वी टेल दिस पीपल दैट आप जो है अब अटेंड करना शुरू करो. वो धीरे धीरे अटेंड करते हैं एंड दे गेट रियली एक्साइटेड अबाउट इट, एंड समटाइम्स इट कैन गेट एडिक्टिव ऑल्सो, बट दैट्स ओके. एंड एक है जिनको एंजल इन्वेस्टमेंट क्या एनिमल है मालूम ही नहीं है. So those are the people who need to be told about कि ऐसा एक एसेट क्लास एग्जिस्ट करता है. आप रियल एस्टेट में करते हो, आप गोल्ड में करते हो, आप कैपिटल मार्केट में करते हो, आप फिक्स डिपॉजिट में डालते हो, आप पेंटिंग्स में भी इन्वेस्ट कर देते हो जाकर आर्ट में, बट आप इसमें इन्वेस्ट नहीं करते. क्यों नहीं करते? देन दे हैव देयर ओन नोशंस. एंड बाय द वे लेट मी टेल यू, एंड टू ऑल्सो कॉशन द ऑडियंस दैट वी हैव, दैट दिस इज अ वेरी वेरी रिस्की इन्वेस्टमेंट वाला एसेट क्लास. आपने पैसे डाले तो आपके पूरे पैसे डूब भी सकते हैं, और अगर निकल गए तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. सो प्लीज़ बी वेरी वेरी क्लियर इन योर हेड दैट व्हेन यू आर इन्वेस्टिंग देयर इज़ अ ब्राइट पॉसिबिलिटी दैट यू विल लूज योर मनी व्हेन यू आर डूइंग एंजल इन्वेस्टिंग. सो वही पैसा इन्वेस्ट करो. मैं एक लूज टर्म यूज़ करता हूँ उसके लिए, जो पैसा आपके पास वेला पड़ा हुआ है.
जो नहीं आया है तो चलेगा,
नहीं आएगा तो चलेगा. ना आपका लाइफस्टाइल इम्पैक्ट होना चाहिए, ना आपकी रात की नींद खराब होनी चाहिए, और ना ही आप बार बार जिसके थ्रू इन्वेस्ट किया उसको फ़ोन करके पूछ रहे हो मैंने 100 रुपये डाले थे, आज उसका 200, 300, 50 रुपये क्या वैल्यू है,
कितना हुआ यार, क्यों नहीं हुआ, जो भी. तो ये जो बात हो रही है, तो यहाँ पे नेटवर्क इंपॉर्टेंट होगा ना
बहुत ज़्यादा.
मतलब मैं अगर आज इन्वेस्टमेंट करना चाहूँगा एंड आई मीट यू एंड आई मीट अभिजीत, सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो हाउ इम्पॉर्टेंट इज़ द रोल ऑफ द एंजल नेटवर्क राइट नाउ?
सो एंजल नेटवर्क्स भी दो तरीके के हैं. एक है कि सम ऑफ द एंजल नेटवर्क्स वेयर स्टार्टअप कम्स एंड सेज ये मेरी पिच डेक है, ये मेरा मॉडल है, अब मेरे को इन्वेस्टर चाहिए. सो दे जस्ट प्रेजेंट इट टू द इन्वेस्टर्स. देन देयर आर क्यूरेटेड नेटवर्क. सो वी आर अ क्यूरेटेड नेटवर्क.
तो पहला वाला आपने क्या बोला, वो नेटवर्क है, तो उसने पिच डेक लिया और सारे
कनेक्ट कर दिया, सब में फ्लोट कर दिया,
ठीक है.
देन देयर आर क्यूरेटेड नेटवर्क्स लाइक अस वेयर वी आर द गेट कीपर्स. हम पहले इमीडिएटली आएगा.
तो आप डीडी आप करते हो?
नहीं, वो तो बाद में आया.
वो तो बाद में आता है.
वो बाद में आया. सबसे पहले तो हमारी टीम उसको देखती है कि ये भाई इन्वेस्टर्स को प्रेजेंट करने के लिए
प्रेजेंटेबल है कि नहीं है,
नहीं है. तो उसका एक चेकलिस्ट है, वो फॉलो करते हैं. उसके बाद वो हम पार्टनर्स के पास आते हैं. एक पार्टनर डिसाइड करता है हाँ ये भाई ये आगे ले जाने जैसा है. सो वो हो गया सेकेंड लेवल ऑफ क्यूरेशन. थर्ड लेवल, अगर पॉसिबल है कि इंटरनल टीम को नॉलेज नहीं है, सो हमारा एक छोटा सा एडवाइजरी बोर्ड है, हम उसको रेफ़र कर देते हैं कि आप भाई एक्सपर्टीज़ दे दो अपनी, मीडिया है, B2B है, तो उसके अंदर एक्सपर्टीज़ आ जाती है। फोर्थ, फिर हम बिजनेस ड्यू डिलिजेंस भी करते हैं उनका, इंटरनल, अभी इंटरनल की बात
अभी तक आप इन्वेस्टर के पास नहीं गए हो,
गए ही नहीं, ये चारों
ये
होने के बाद
इंटरनल हो रहा है अभी।
स्टेप 1 2 3 4, 3 में भी स्किप बिकॉज इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी ऑलवेज टू गो टू द एडवाइजरी बोर्ड। स्टेप 1 2 4, तो 3 स्टेप पक्का इट हैपेंस। वी देन सेड नाउ दिस पर्सन इज रेडी टू पिच टू इन्वेस्टर। वो पिच डे करता है, एक हफ्ते के इमीडिएटली बाद जो इन्वेस्टर को वो पिच जिस स्टार्टअप की पसंद आई होती है उसका डीप डाइव होता है, जो 45 मिनट्स का होता है विद इन्वेस्टर्स। दे कैन आस्क क्वेश्चंस बिकॉज नाउ दे हैव कम प्रिपेयर्ड बिकॉज दे हैव सीन द पिच डेक प्रॉपर्ली।
वेरी गुड।
सो ये हो गया क्यूरेशन पार्ट। अभी इट डज नॉट स्टॉप हियर, देन द इन्वेस्टर्स कमिट टू अ स्पेसिफिक स्टार्टअप कि हाँ ओके आई एम पुटिंग इन 5 lakhs 10 lakhs 15 lakhs 20 lakhs इन दिस स्टार्टअप। 2 करोड़ रेज करना था, कमिटमेंट 2 करोड़ के आ गए। देन द डॉक्यूमेंटेशन स्टार्ट्स विच ऑल्सो विल हैपन ओनली थ्रू आर लीगल टीम्स and there will be a proper financial due diligence being done by an independent external agency. वो ड्यू डिलिजेंस की रिपोर्ट देता है, सब कुछ उसमें देखते हैं, जितना भी आपने टैक्स भरा नहीं भरा, कंप्लायंसेस, रेवेन्यूज, एक्सपेंसेस, प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी, जो भी है वो रिपोर्ट है, हम अपने इन्वेस्टर्स के साथ शेयर करते हैं। उनको कोई क्वेश्चंस होते हैं तो वो वापस आते हैं। इन द मीनवाइल ट्रांजैक्शन डॉक्यूमेंट्स आर बीइंग ड्राफ्टेड। वो ख़त्म होने के बाद सिग्नेचर्स हो जाते हैं सबके, और देन द इन्वेस्टर्स वायर द मनी इनटू द स्टार्टअप्स अकाउंट। दैट इज द कंप्लीट जर्नी, दैट इज द सपोर्ट दैट यू गेट फ्रॉम नेटवर्क। सो इफ यू वांट टू इन्वेस्ट इन अ स्टार्टअप थ्रू से लाइक अस, you can be rest assured there are a lot of areas which are already covered and taken care of. You don't have to worry ये SHA में क्या होने वाला है, that the shareholders agreement, या DD में कुछ निकल गया तो हमको तो पता ही नहीं है। और तीसरा मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट कि फाउंडर का जो एक वैलिडेशन होता है या वेटिंग होता है वो भी अच्छे से हो चुका होता है अभी तक। सो आई वुड से 70-75% ऑफ द वर्क वी हैव ऑलरेडी डन। आपको बचा 25%, उतना तो मेहनत आपको करना पड़ेगा अगर एंजल इन्वेस्टमेंट करना है।
तो ठीक है, तो एंजल तो मेरे जो थोड़ी बहुत जो भी समझ में आ रही है मेरे को, और आगे जिस तरह स्टार्टअप इकोसिस्टम ग्रो करेगा तो वी विल रिक्वायर मोर एंजल इन्वेस्टर्स एंड वी रिक्वायर मोर क्यूरेटेड एंजल इन्वेस्टर नेटवर्क्स राइट नाउ. That is what is the need of the hour.
That is correct.
I have, I mean, since you're here, so I'm taking your name. I have A Ventures and I have XYZ Ventures. How do I differentiate with which network? And both are known to me.
Yeah.
How do I, is there any little bit of differentiation or criteria for that matter for an angel investor to choose that particular network?
So one, I think जो लोग इन्वेस्टर नेटवर्क चलाते हैं उनके साथ एक इक्वेशन बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट होता है टू बिगिन विद. दैट इज द फर्स्ट लेवल दैट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट.
तो पहला लेवल वही है जैसे
पहला लेवल वही है. सो यू शुड नो दैट हु आर द पीपल हु आर रनिंग द नेटवर्क और स्लैश द फंड. सो अगर आपको उनके क्रेडेंशियल समझ में आते हैं, यू नो देम, दे हैव बीन रेफर्ड बाय समबडी, आई थिंक दैट इज द वे टू गो अबाउट.
फर्स्ट. परफेक्ट, गॉट इट.
Example could be you know a friend who is investing through us. You will speak to him, how has been your experience?
Correct.
तूने कितने invest किए? How many startups? How many exits you have got, etc. etc. By the way, हमारे exit वाले question अभी बाकी है अपना. So that is first. Second, you see what experience the network has in how many startups they have invested, but how many startups they have given exit also for. I think that's very critical.
So all this data is available. मतलब मुझे पता है ये कहाँ से मिलेगा मुझे?
मेरी वेबसाइट पे सब है. We have got investments, we have got exits, we have got IRRs of the exits that we have given to the investors. So that's all there. So our average IRR that we have given to investors ranges from 30% to 90% compounded annually. So it's there on the website.
30%
to 90% compounded annually, yeah.
तो मुझे अगर अभी आपका नेटवर्क ज्वाइन करना है और मुझे थोड़ा बहुत पैसा इन्वेस्ट करना है
जी.
तो कितना रुपया आपके हिसाब से मुझे करना चाहिए?
So angel fund के थ्रू करते हैं तो there is a commitment of 25 lakhs over a period of 5 years. Commitment.
अच्छा, दैट इज वो आप जो फंड की बात कर रहे हो अभी. तो आपका जो AIF कैटेगरी 1 है,
yes.
उसमें मुझे आपको 25 लाख का कमिटमेंट देना है
जी.
चेक नहीं देना भी.
नहीं देना.
ठीक है, समझ गया. और वो ओवर ए पीरियड ऑफ 5 इयर्स है.
And you decide in which startup to invest and how much to invest.
गॉट इट.
So that is how it is. Network पे ऐसा कोई restriction नहीं है. There is a premium membership fee where you get good amount of servicing from one of our relationship managers. There is a joining fee
So
or
any
an annual fee.
so what is any fee right now you have?
Yeah, the premium membership fee on the network is 12,500 per annum, which is
Per
extremely-
annum.
which is extremely reasonable.
Reasonable.
and so we, except for that, we don't charge anything to the investor.
So now that you are on my podcast show, I'll have to also pay, or
Absolutely, always free. Always free.
jokes apart. So we'll look into this. I think very interesting point यहाँ पे raise हुआ है, and especially in the prop tech space, which is my subject. तो we'll take this discussion again afterwards. फिर exit के बारे में जो बात कर रहे थे. Now let's come back to exit.
So there are 3 to 4 ways where startup exits can happen, and startup exits, I'm not mincing my words, is not easy.
It's not easy, huh?
It's not easy.
That is why you are telling it's a
Yes.
risky business.
Yeah. So the expectation of an angel investor across the board always is कि मेरे उसको 30% annualized return मिल जाए, तो he's done a good job with his investment, and the startup is also doing a good job. The average holding period for startup investments across the world is about 4 to 6 years.
Correct. Got it.
ठीक है, इसका मतलब क्या है, ये लॉन्ग टर्म गेम है.
समझ में आ गया.
It is not a
ये
game.
आज करके कल नहीं है वाला ऐसा नहीं है.
मैजिक नहीं है.
मैजिक नहीं है, समझ गया.
It's no magic. So that is how it works. So अब exit कैसे हो सकता है? Now I am an angel investor, and अभी second round में भी थोड़ा बहुत angel investor हुआ, फिर उसका third या fourth round में VC आएगा या larger institutional investor आएगा, and they will say that अभी मेरे को angels को exit देना है, because अभी हो गया उनको 4-5 साल, उनको भी exit मिलना चाहिए, और मेरे को क्या है, I want only lesser number of investors on the cap table. So ये जो 20, 30, 40 people हैं, where we will invest money in the company, and we will also kind of give an exit to these people. First way of exit, some larger investor comes and buys your stake. First way of exiting, and also the most popular, by the way. Second, founder के पास बड़ा पैसा आ गया कहीं से 4-5 साल के बाद, बोलता है मेरे को तो बाय बैक करना है, सो वो आपके शेयर्स प्रीमियम पे आपसे वापस
बाय बैक कर लेता है.
because he wants to probably strengthen his own
equity holding.
So वो कर सकता है. Third, again, which is now getting popular, is IPO. अब तो IPO rules also are very transparent, they're relaxed.
और अभी तो SME
IPO
भी आ
भी
गया.
है. So that is also one of the ways of doing it. So लोग वो भी करते हैं, but obviously उनके profitability norms हैं. अगर कोई startup वो meet कर जाता है तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. That is the best way to exit and create value for every stakeholder in the ecosystem. And last but not the least, obviously there is the M&A, the mergers and acquisition route also. A larger company coming and buying a smaller company.
So that you're saying that is one of them, or that is the last option?
No,
Typically.
there's one of them.
These are all one of them.
Yeah, they're all
Anything can
possible.
happen at any time.
Anytime. SME IPO or IPO takes a little longer.
Time because of
you need vintage
government,
of profitability
yeah,
and things
yeah,
like
it's
that. So regulations के हिसाब से.
Regulation के हिसाब से.
बाकी नहीं, 3 तो कभी भी possible है. So that's not a problem. So we have given even an exit to angel investors in one of our startups in about 12 to 18 months time also. So depend करता है. You can be lucky.
What are the sectors according to you which is of interest to you, and which is absolutely growth right now? What are the main primary sectors according to you, both as an individual investor and as India is a growth story?
Okay.
Which are the sectors which are going to be looked upon by investors?
Okay, healthcare or / health tech is going to do really well, and in fact, the best part is that post the pandemic, because during the pandemic, a mirror was shown to us saying that the healthcare facilities in India, whether it's technology, etc., is not up to the mark. बहुत problems हो गई. So a lot of startups are working on health tech. And when I say health tech, it's not just services के दवाई जल्दी मिल जाएगी या diagnosis जल्दी हो जाएंगे, ऐसा नहीं. On actual hardcore hardware and software technology for diagnostics, for even measuring your stress levels by wearing a headgear or something, by robotic hands for doing physiotherapy. So India is coming a
very big
long
change.
way.
It's going to be a very big change.
Yeah, and the government supports it, it a lot, and most importantly, there are now funds coming in very specifically for healthcare. I think that is a great story that's going to come along. Fintech is still the investor's favorite, and I think people keep pumping money. And when say fintech, does not mean the payment space. It's about the lending space, because the inclusion of micro, small, and medium enterprises in the credit also still has a long way to go. In fact,
अभी बहुत बड़ा gap है ना आप भी?
Gap है, insurtech में भी gap है. Insurance penetration is also not the way it should be. Then D2C is a great story still. So good brands coming in, whether investors investing more, getting scooped by larger players, where they see that they may take a lot of time in reaching there. I think that's a great story still that is brewing and will continue to grow. And one space that I really like, obviously, is, and I think a lot of investors like, is the ESG space, sustainability, whether it's EVs, or whether it's agri-tech, climate tech, is something that's anything to do with that is going to be really something that everybody is looking forward to. Because पहले हम दिल्ली की बात करते थे, पोल्यूशन ज़्यादा है, अब तो अब बॉम्बे में ही लोग खांस रहे हैं आजकल. So the air is becoming worse. So if somebody has to take the lead in doing that. And I think startups से ज़्यादा apt कोई नहीं है. They're the most able to.
Very interesting. India growth story. क्या लग रहा है?
Fabulous. आप मार्केट्स तो देख ही रहे हो. अभी आज भी ठीक ठाक ही था. कल आज तो डाउन था, बट कल इतना बढ़िया था. So जैसे ही कोई एक्सटर्नल खबर ऊपर नीचे होती है तो हम हिल जाते हैं. But I think we are here to stay. And in the budget also it was clearly mentioned that the growth story of India will continue. RBI does a great job also with that. I feel next 10 years, 2-3 साल पहले भी बोला था, अभी भी बोल रहा हूँ.
I don't know अभी कितना फर्क पड़ेगा. 3-4 घंटे में दिल्ली इलेक्शंस.
Yeah, very interesting.
क्या लग रहा है आपको?
I will reserve my comments here.
Yeah, just again, it's a pure heart to heart conversation.
Heart to heart conversation में anti incumbency होने का bright possibility है.
Possibility है.
वो होता ही है, because
कुछ हल्का सा लग रहा है इस बार की
होगा
24-25 साल के बाद.
26 साल के बाद.
26 साल के बाद.
Let's see. I mean, अभी आज 6:30-7 बजे तो आपको एग्जिट पोल आने शुरू हो
आ जाएगा. तो that I remember when we were having a small bite before the podcast. It's another form of entertainment.
Oh, that is very true.
How important, Amit, now this is a little serious now, is the government policies and the government both from a state level perspective and from a national perspective. So like Bangalore is now, or Bangalore/Bangalore is so called the Silicon Valley of India. Bombay is picking up. Bombay also the ecosystem is maturing.
Yeah.
So how important is the mindset and the policies of the government of a state for the startup ecosystem to mature?
I think quite a bit, to be honest. When we see how our state has fared or how the nation is faring, at the national level we know that we are the third largest startup ecosystem in the world.
That we are aware of it.
Yeah. And we will continue to do so. हमको second पहुंचने में time लगेगा, but I am sure eventually we will get there to begin with. At the national level, even the budget, the Honorable Finance Minister has introduced a new fund of funds. क्योंकि पहले तो 10,000 करोड़ का था, ये एक और 10,000 करोड़
एक और कर दिया.
So which is great. Quite a few SOPs has still been given, whether it is the extension of the income tax exemption that the startups have when they start making profits, that has been extended. Those startups के लिए unsecured loans वगैरह मिलते हैं from their side. I think that is something that they are really doing well and working towards that. The best part that happened was in the so-called budget that they presented in 24, जो obviously full-fledged budget नहीं था, is the rationalization of the capital gains tax that happened that brought cheer to a lot of angel investors. पहले कैसे होता था, अगर आपने unlisted securities में किया, you would pay a 20% capital gains tax if you are holding the security for more than 24 months. But now that has been reduced to 12.5%.
काफी बड़ा फर्क पड़ गया.
That's a huge. It's like almost half. So which is great for the ecosystem.
कुछ angel tax भी
that has been abolished.
Abolished, no?
From 1st April 2025, there will be no angel tax. So effectively, it's just not there now. And anyways, if you are investing through structures and AIFs, etc., that
वैसे भी वो नहीं होता है.
नहीं applicable नहीं होता था. But so these are some of the measures that the government is taking. The ranking in terms of ease of doing business, etc., is also getting better. So I am sure अगर आप startup ecosystem से पूछोगे तो wish list तो हमारी बड़ी लंबी चौड़ी होती है हमेशा ही. But as I said that ये 3-4 चीज़ें करने की वजह से things are looking really promising. Though when I come to the state side, the state also has an equal part to play, because to nurture the so-called regional/local startup ecosystem, the startups will also grow in a state where the environment is more conducive.
More conducive.
So अगर आप महाराष्ट्र देखेंगे तो महाराष्ट्र में तो the startups have been doing really well. Large number of startups have ushered, and in fact a lot of unicorns are also there.
Why is the Maharashtra startup ecosystem doing so well?
One, I think we are a very entrepreneurial city and a state. There is no doubt about it to begin with.
धंधा वाला सिटी है.
सिंपल बात है. बॉम्बे आता है, कोई
धंधा,
आता
सब कुछ
है,
धंधा.
सबको बिजनेस करना है तो कोई ना कुछ अपना जुगाड़
आता है, आता है.
So a lot of जुगाड़ that happen. Second, I think investors इतने सारे हैं यहाँ पे. We are the financial capital. As Mumbai, we are the financial capital of the country.
और थोड़ा रिस्क टेकिंग एपिटाइट भी है हल्की सी.
Amazing है. I mean, the city never sleeps, the city never stops, and that is there. And now with the new chief minister, our honorable chief minister on the National Startup Day has announced a lot of good things that is there for the taking for the startup founders in Maharashtra. He's thinking of an innovation park that he's already announced. It will be a massive one. Skilling centers में जो है AI जो है लोगों को सिखाया जाएगा. So he wants to make Maharashtra as the AI capital of the country. Wow. I think that is there. They introduced a new fund also, and I think AI पे इसमें impetus बहुत रहने वाला है. I think it's extremely enterprising and forward-looking.
Looking at a very vibrant Maharashtra.
Totally. I think under his leadership, you can be guaranteed that innovation.
5 साल तो है, वो भी हमने बात किया था. जुगाड़ करते करते 5 साल तो रहेगी गवर्नमेंट ये.
आराम से. No doubt about that.
मुझे एक सवाल बताइए. I mean, this question which is there in my mind, whatever little bit I know, at least few years back, a lot of the founders were forming their startup outside India. So it was Delaware, it was Singapore, or Dubai, or whatever it is. Is that same trend continuing, or now there is a shift to have the startup in India itself?
So a lot of startups have now, in fact, now moved their domicile back to India. It's the other way around.
तो घर वापसी हो रही है अभी.
घर वापसी हो रही है. So जिन्होंने बाहर बनाया था, now you know consolidate in India, and that is the best part. You know, without naming a couple of big startups, I would say both are unicorns. They have recently, you know, one has done maybe 6-8 months back or 9 months back. One has really recently gotten approval to come back to India, shift their domicile to India.
Wow, that's good news.
Oh, absolutely good news, because हम वहाँ जाके form करते थे for whatever tax reasons, investors coming there, etc. But now they've all come back, domiciled in India, and will be having their main companies in India.
So the investors' confidence ऐसा अभी फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला है कि मैं USA में रजिस्टर्ड हूँ कि इंडिया में. पता है कि वो धंधा इंडिया में हो रहा है और स्टार्टअप भी इंडिया के लिए बना रहा है. तो they will, that is not going to make a difference.
No, it's not going to make a difference.
आपका कोई भी फेवरेट 3 से 5 इन्वेस्टमेंट जो आपने अभी किए है, which is close to your heart? I'm sure that also is there, right? You know, when you do this hundreds of investments, so at least some of them are close to your heart.
Close to heart होते हैं, but you know it will be unfair to the other ones that we have done.
हाँ,
I'll be very honest.
तो
I can name the sector.
तो नहीं, एक काम करते ना, तो उसको थोड़ा सा चेंज कर देते. जो आपके इन्वेस्टमेंट है उसकी हम नहीं बात करते.
हाँ.
तो हमारे इन्वेस्टर को फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा.
हाँ.
4 फाउंडर्स को नहीं फर्क पड़ेगा. एनी अदर जो आपका इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं है, which is those 2-3 startups which you really love their strategy, their plan, the way they are growing. Any 3 startups or 2 startups?
So one
could be unicorn, could be unicorn.
Yeah, absolutely. So one startup that I really like is Lenskart, because they identified a problem which existed but nobody was paying heed to it. And they did it in a fabulous fashion.
And there is a lot of margin, Amit. जो चश्मा आपको मिलता है, आप
पहना है Lenskart.
आपका Lenskart का ही बना हुआ है.
Absolutely. I'm a big fan.
पीयूष देख लो भाई, आपका प्रमोशन हो गया.
I'm a big fan.
Big fan. So एक वो बहुत बड़ा गैप था from a price perspective.
Yes. I think it's the price and it's not. I think it's a need perspective. So
दोनों चीज थी ना.
So आप
it was very expensive also.
एक एनालिसिस आप देखोगे जो हुआ, रिसर्च हुआ, that इंडिया में ट्रक ड्राइवर्स बहुत 50% प्लस ट्रक ड्राइवर्स को चश्मा था, उन्होंने रियलाइज नहीं किया बिकॉज उनको आदत पड़ चुकी थी.
बल्कि ये आपने भी मुझे बताया, आई थिंक टाटा ने एक कैंपेन भी रन किया था. आई कांट रिमेंबर, टाटा या महिंद्रा, वन ऑफ द कंपनीज हैड रन दिस कैप्शन, सॉरी दिस कैंपेन, यू नो, वेयर जो खाने का जो मेन्यू था उसमें ऐसा कुछ था, समथिंग ऑफ दैट.
We had a conversation around it, but I don't remember whether I told you about this or not. But reason क्या था, why truck drivers were not going for चश्मा? There are 2 reasons. Number 1, the eye test was expensive. फ्री नहीं होता था उस टाइम पे. आई टेस्ट के भी पैसे लगते थे. सेकंड, चश्मा भी एक्सपेंसिव था, फ्रेम और ग्लासेस दोनों. सो व्हाट दे डिड, they democratized and they ensured that people who wanted glasses get glasses. So one startup that I really liked is that.
और यहाँ पे एक्सीडेंट केसेस बहुत कम हो जाते हैं भाई.
बिल्कुल हो जाता है.
इतने सब आपका आई साइड अगर ठीक हो गया तो.
It's a safety hazard big time. There is no doubt about it.
What are the other couple favorites?
The second startup that I really like, and I think they will continue doing well, is Blue Smart. I think this is in the
Need of the hour.
yeah EV cabs. So that is one startup that I like. I didn't invest in that. I think that is something that I missed at that point in time.
वो जो FOMO की बात हुई थी.
FOMO नहीं बोल सकते, but time नहीं मिला.
रह
We
गया.
didn't have ample
ठीक है,
time
ठीक है.
at that point in time to really
ठीक है,
invest
ठीक
in that startup. And one more startup I think I kind of like also is Boat, to be honest. And there are 2-3 reasons for Boat. Boat again did the same thing. सबको headphones,
सही बात. I
electronic
agree with-
gadgets,
I
etc. It's
totally
completely
agree
with
with
them.
you.
And second, थोड़ा fraternity love भी है. Aman is a
Fraternity
CA
love.
also.
Yeah.
So इसीलिए थोड़ा थोड़ा अच्छा लगता है.
नहीं अच्छा काम किया है
Yeah,
उसमें.
they've done a great job. So these are the 2-3 startups that I think have done great and will continue to grow. Yeah.
Fantastic, Amit, it was a pleasure. जैसे मैंने बताया कि कोई स्क्रिप्ट नहीं, स्टार्टअप इज समथिंग विच आई एम स्टिल लर्निंग, बट स्टिल वी वर हैविंग अ 1 hour conversation. And to put it on record, you are off beer right now.
Yes.
So I thought we would go for a beer. But next time, whenever you're back, and once again, thanks for accepting the invitation, coming here, joining us in the studio, and looking forward to some more, discussions and conversation interactions in the near future. Amit,
Absolutely.
really thanks a lot. And I know you got to rush. You have a next appointment. So thanks for coming and take care and God bless.